You are 15 years late. If you had watched this video 15 years ago, you might have been a millionaire by now. But no biggie, better late than never. Let's understand this digital currency today and change your life once and for all. Basically, cryptocurrency is digital money people either obsess over, avoid, or pretend to understand at parties. This is the money that exists only on the internet. There are no banks, no middlemen, or no printing presses involved. Unlike the money in your bank, crypto is not controlled by any government. It is decentralized, which means no single person or entity can decide how much is printed, who gets to use it, or what it's worth. Instead, every transaction is verified and recorded publicly, making cheating nearly impossible. If regular money is a game where banks and governments make the rules, crypto is like an open world game where everyone plays by the same code. This is exactly like if you and your friends were keeping a ledger on who owes who money. Instead of one person controlling the notebook, everyone has a copy, and every time someone adds a transaction, everyone else's copy updates too. That's basically how crypto works, except instead of 5 friends with a notebook, it is hundreds of thousands of computers around the world verifying transactions. Every time you send or receive cryptocurrency, that transaction gets recorded on something called blockchain. Now, don't be intimidated by the big word. It is just another word for a giant digital record that keeps track of every move. It is permanent, unchangeable, and stored across a network of computers. No single person controls it, which means no one can erase, alter, or forge any transactions. To add a transaction to this blockchain, it has to be verified first, and this is where it gets interesting. There are 2 main ways this happens: proof of work and proof of stake. Now, proof of work is what Bitcoin uses. It involves people called miners using very powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. When they solve one, they confirm transactions and get rewarded with Bitcoin. Now, this sounds cool until you realize how much electricity it takes. Bitcoin mining alone uses more power than some entire countries. Proof of stake is a more energy-efficient way to verify transactions. This is used by Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Here, instead of miners competing with computers, people stake or lock up their crypto as collateral. The more you stake, the higher your chance of being chosen to verify a transaction and earn rewards. This method cuts down on power usage and does not require an army of computers overheating in someone's basement. Now, if you want to buy some cryptocurrency, you will need a wallet. But don't go digging through your pockets. This is not a physical wallet. It's a digital one, which stores your private keys. Those keys are basically passwords that let you access and spend your crypto. If you lose them, that's it. There is no forgot password button. Your money is gone, lost forever in the void. Now, there are 2 types of wallets, hot and cold. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, which makes it convenient but more vulnerable to hacks. A cold wallet is offline, meaning it's safer but less convenient. This is just like the difference between keeping cash in your pocket versus locking it in a safe that is buried underground. Once you have a wallet, you need to actually buy some cryptocurrency. This happens on exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. You sign up, link your bank account, and swap your real money for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever weird meme coin is trending that day. Some people buy and hold for years, hoping the price shoots up. Others trade daily, treating it like a stock market on steroids. And yes, you can spend crypto too. Some online stores accept Bitcoin. Some businesses even pay employees in crypto. There are even Bitcoin ATMs in case you want to feel fancy withdrawing digital money from a physical machine. But before you start thinking this is easy money, let's talk about the risks. Crypto is volatile. Prices swing wildly. One day you feel like you're a genius because your investment doubled. The next day you watch it crash and wonder if you should have just bought groceries instead. There are no safety nets here. If a coin loses value, you cannot call the bank and ask for a refund. Even with all the risks, crypto is changing how people think about money. Some countries are adopting it as legal tender. Blockchain technology is being used for things like contracts, supply chains, even voting systems. Whether it takes over traditional money or just becomes another asset class like gold, it is not going away anytime soon. So if you are going to invest, do your research. At least now you are no longer 15 years late. Maybe still a little late, but at least you finally understand what all the fuss is about. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more easy to understand videos. Let's stay ahead this time.